Hello everyone, welcome to your English class. Dear students, today we are going to do the explanation of lesson number 5, possessives. Before getting into the discussion about possessive form, what we will do? We will read these sentences. Jayant's book is in the bag. Romila's cat is under the bed. In these sentences, we have used an apostrophe with the nouns to show that something belongs to someone. Dear students, as you can see that we have marked the small mark and then we have added S. Dear students, this small little mark which is marked at the top is known as apostrophe. And when we add an apostrophe and other letter to it, we call it as apostrophe and then we pronounce the other letter. So here we can say that we have marked apostrophe S. We are showing possession of Jayant over book. So we have marked an apostrophe with apostrophe S to Jayant and so that we can show his possession over book. Romila's cat. Here apostrophe is added to Romila. That means this cat which is written just after Romila, this cat belongs to Romila. A possessive form is used with a noun to show its relationship to another noun. An apostrophe is added to show possession. The definition of possessive form tells us that a possessive form is used with a noun so that we can show its relationship with another noun, or we can say so that we can show that the thing belongs to the other person or the thing. Here it is also being said that whenever we form the possessives, we have to add an apostrophe to the noun. Apostrophes are used in different ways. Dear students, if we are forming the possessive forms, there are different ways to form possessive forms. Firstly, here it is told to us that how we can form possessive form with singular nouns. If we are having a singular noun, we simply have to use an apostrophe S with the noun. The woman's gloves, the bird's nest, the boy's shirt. Here, as you can see, the nouns are singular. We have simply used an apostrophe S with the nouns to show their possession over the other things, the other nouns. Number 2, with plural nouns ending with an S, only an apostrophe is added after the S. What is being said here? That whenever we have a plural noun or a noun ending with an S, in that condition we have to add only an apostrophe to the word to make its possessive form. For example, the girls. Girls is a plural noun. So what we are doing? We are simply adding an apostrophe to the noun so that we can show girls' possession over team. The passenger's ticket. Here the word passengers is plural, so we are using only an apostrophe to show their possession over the tickets. The teachers' meeting. Here also teachers is plural, that's why we are adding simply an apostrophe. With plural nouns not ending with an S and with an S, an apostrophe S is added after the noun. What is being told here? Here it is clearly been said that if the nouns are plural but they do not end with an s, in such condition we have to simply add an apostrophe s to the noun to make its plural possessive form. For example, the children is a word which is plural but it does not end with s. So to make it possessive we have to add an apostrophe s to the word so that we can make so that we can show its possession over the other noun, that is park. The women is also plural but it is not ending with the word with the alphabet s, so we are adding an apostrophe s to show its possession over store. The mice, apostrophe s here also we have used because mice is plural but it does not end with an s, that's why we are adding an apostrophe s to show its possession over the nests. With nouns ending with an s, only an apostrophe is added after the alphabet s. What is being told here? That there are few nouns which end with s, or we can say that people possess different kinds of name and in those names there are many names which end with the last letter s. In that condition, if we are showing their possession over something else, in that condition we will add simply an apostrophe, like Boris. This name Boris is ending with s. That's why what we will do, we will only add an apostrophe to show its possession over hat. Atticus, in this name also it is ending with s, that's why we will add only an apostrophe. Agnes apostrophe, Agnes basket, it means that this basket belongs to Agnes. Atticus pen, this pen belongs to Atticus. Dear students, we can make possessive forms of different nouns, but it is very important to keep in mind that possessive forms can only be made with living things. We cannot make possessive forms of non-living things. For example, if we want to show the possessive form of chair over the leg, what we will do? We will use the leg of the chair. If we are writing the leg of the chair, then it is correct. But if we are trying to make its possessive form and we are writing chair's leg, in that condition it will be wrong. It will not be correct. So we have to always keep this in mind that only possessive forms can only be formed with living things, and we cannot form possessive forms with non-living things. Dear students, that's all for today. Thank you and have a good day.